Alright guys, so we have a switch. Switch is supposed to go. And this wall right here. I mean if you chop out let's feel the pipe come down right now. And then have them thing right underneath it. Switch supposed to come here, so again for the bathroom. I'm supposed to have a plug on the wall for the bathroom too. So we have two lights in a space here. Two ceiling lights in a space here. What happened the first? Yeah, it's actually two of them and two of them use the same drawing, but I don't know what the mason them do. Because on the first drawing when we did put the panel on this wall, and this wall was very small on the drawing. So me try to correct the mistake now and put the pipe the panel to go up on this wall, and guess what them do? They reduce the size of this wall now, so I don't know. So me I probably have to go divert the pipe from this up and carry it across here so to go back up. Which is kinda crazy. Although me I call them and find out why them change the size of the wall. Because this wall here is supposed to be a bigger wall than this. And that was the reason why we changed the panel to put it on the bigger side of the wall. Since this one is so close, it's close to the window. Both of them would be close to the window, but this one would be a bigger wall, so you have more space to put it further away from the window. What them do, I don't know how them come by the size of the wall upon that thing, but I have to work it out somehow. I have to work it out now because I have to pipe the panel overhead. Tell about some crazy people sometimes. I have a switch. I will come down on a wall too. So I have to go cut all them. And if you notice exactly where I cut out where them put them support. Exactly where if you cut the wall to come down, so them nail them support. Just kinda messed up. Supposed to have a plug on a wall too. So catch me while I cut it. I also have another switch on this to control one wash area light outside. It's gonna be a wash area outside. So I have a switch here so for it. Yeah. Catch me while I'm upstairs. I hit camera. feet, 9 feet 9.5. So this one, let's say 10 feet. 10 feet. Because if you notice, them chip off there so for the boat fit underneath. It's at 10, exactly 10 feet across. So what are going to do? I'm going to mark this, 5 or so. And then we are going to move it. And then we are going to go right across. Double with the joints. Right across another line there. We are going to go. We have 9 feet to be exact, there, so 9 feet to the T. So we are going to go. I'll go 4. 6. So we're doing the veranda now. The veranda or little patio, whatever you guys wanna call it. Same the 4 feet. So half of 4 is 4 is 2. So it falls exactly right in our little cracker. 4 is 2. Alright. Then usually we could have just set the one measurement and say that's it, but I realize it's not square. No put up square, so I have to do my own measurement to make sure everything falls same. So this is 9.5 and a half. Measure again. Oh, 4.6, 4.9. 4.9. So now this one figure so. One figure so. One figure so. One figure so. Yo. Hey. The wall, the panel is figure, right? Remember the little wall up on the window? So I end up to change the wall, change because it is small. I change the pipe on the one. But now not me there, guess what happened? The wall, they make it smaller. Is it what size the window by the way? The one to the hill. You remember the panel? Yeah. Where the window will be 72. 72?
Yeah, or 70, somewhere above. 70 or 72.
So measure because the wall I want a little piece of wall there. And don't the one bigger them though. It's a bigger piece of wall which we watch it show up on the drawing.
No, what happened? Why it is bigger down there? Because them window them have a wrong size for the window. So they had to cut it out and change it.
No, but it show up on the drawing so that window that side of the wall is bigger than the side to the veranda. Remember me and Omili that debate about it. Omili said me should have put it on the bigger part of the wall.
So what you want to know? You want to put it on the bigger side of the wall?
No, what happened? Me did change it and pipe to put it on the bigger side of the wall.
Right.
But now when me come here, what's supposed to be the bigger side of the wall becomes the smaller side of the wall. So me I wonder how they reach that.
I don't understand that.
Me understand that.
No, because because me tell you already, so the big one on the up here are 72. The window up there, where they know are 72 are Dumfries. But the one down there is a smaller window them have there. They have to cut it out. So they cut it out already.
Them not cut it out, that's why they black up.
Hey, man, come on there, please.
Should have bring a screwdriver. Hold it like this so no cement can go underneath it. Looking at the pipe. That's it. And then it's gonna go right here. So one pipe go over there so to that, one pipe go to that, one pipe go to switch and one connect back down also. That panel or the reason why I say me do this is because the hole sometimes too small to push the pipe in a hit, and we don't want, when we nail it down already, we have to fight to push the pipe in it. So that's why we kind of Get the pliers. Once the pliers head go through it like this, it's good enough. Sun's very hot. And guys, this is an Independence Day here, so no holiday for me. I have to be working that money. Being able to work that money, that's my independence. That is independent for me. Being able to work that money. I need to get this and then yeah. Connect back to that pipe. One gonna go to the switch, which is right here. One gonna link that one over there. Alright, so we need 3 of this. We need 1 to go back to the pipe over there, the box that we just put in over there. And we need 1 to go to that box. And we need 1 to go to the switch right here, which is the bedroom switch. So let's knock it. So this is just a simple 2-bedroom, so it's supposed to be easy wiring, easy piping. But one thing I can tell you guys, the sun is feeling like it's the father. Alright, so 1 across. connect to the bathroom. So since the panel is right there, what's gonna happen is that we're gonna start wiring from there and loop, come all the way, switch main, continue to bathroom, then switch, continue to the next bedroom, then switch, and we're good to go. And we are good to go. That's it. That is it. One of this goes there to the switch. This one goes there. Then I'm gonna pipe from. Turn this around. Let me nail it down. There, switch, one go there. Alright, so we're over here where we're doing the bathroom one. We will have the CM3 pipes in this one. We're gonna have one go to that bedroom, which is the CM main, gonna continue to go to the bedroom down here and to switch. So we're gonna have one pipe go there, one go to the switch right here, and one connect back to that box over there. The only thing I don't like with them plastic packs, yeah, is that them will crack when you try to break out the thing out of it, you know. Makes it difficult. Some of them, other than a metal box where you just punch it and it come out. So 1, 2, 3, right on par. Remote this one. As I say, when the pliers nose go through it, it's big enough for the pipe. So this one is here. That right there, and then we're gonna move on now to final one, which is the bedroom one. So this box here now, a little accident going with that one here because I put it under the steel and totally forget to catch it. So that the steel not go down on it and accidentally step on it. So those stuff you have to be aware of. That's that.